everyone, welcome to 30 Something Beauty. It is a Monday. I am sending this out to you immediately after filming it. It's going to be very raw because I was tipped off by a friend to what I think is the greatest skincare set that is out there for the holidays. I plan on making this video for you yesterday, and then I went on Target. It's important, it's at Target. I went on Target.com and it was sold out, and I told them, notify me when back in stock. And of course this morning I got the notification that it's back in stock. So this is gonna sell out immediately, so I wanted to get this video up to you as soon as possible, which is why I am here with no lights on in the background, my hair in a ponytail, and yeah, they're blowing leaves outside. So if you can hear that, I'm sorry, I can't. I thought he'd left, and now, of course, as I started, he's come back. So my apologies on that. But I wanted to get this out ASAP. It is the Dermstore Best of Dermstore collaboration with Target. Now, I will link to this on Target's website below, so you don't even have to go searching. Just click on that button in the description. It'll take you right to this. But let's go through it. So my friend Talene tipped me off to this on Friday night, and Saturday I went into Target and found it. I put it on my Insta stories on Saturday raving about it, so if you're not following me on Instagram, you might want to go follow. It's Cass Thompson Beauty. But like I said, it was sold out online. Now it is back online, or maybe it just came online. So first off, you get this pretty sizable reusable plastic bag. So that is awesome. But now we are going to take out what's inside. Because, oh my gosh. So, oh good. It also comes with like a healthy skin regimen. So like how to use everything that's in here. Oh look, the light can't find me now. How to use everything that's in here. So let's see if I need a little help. Nope, it's still just so dark. So this is how, you can see behind, this is how dark my room is. Like, I live in a hole, guys. It's just a dark place. Okay, so let's start with the thing that's the, oh my word, I can't believe they're giving this at Target. It is a bottle. Guys, look at the bottle. Look at the giant size. Sorry, I'm looking at the screen. Look at the giant size of the bottle of Sunday Riley Good Jeans. Oh my word. So I already looked up the pricing on this. This is half a fluid ounce. The $105 bottle is an ounce. So half an ounce, we're gonna price this at $50. Technically like $52. So this alone is $52. I didn't tell you yet how much this whole thing costs. The whole thing, bag included, Good Jeans, $25. $25. Yeah, don't even wait. Like, I'm gonna sound like such an infomercial. Don't even wait to hear me talk about the rest. Click the button. It's going to sell out. Then you get a really sizable bottle of Bioderma micellar water, however you want to say it. This is, I'm trying to figure out how many ounces, 3.3 fluid ounces, so over travel size. I have never used theirs because I've loved Garnier, but I always hear good things, so I'm excited to try that. I did not look up how much anything else costs. However, I do know some of these items are probably real up there in price if you bought them at Dermstore. This I'm very excited by. These are the, it's hard to see there, these are the Urna Lszl Multitask Eye Serum Masks. This is, you know, just under eye masks, but I haven't talked about it a lot on my channel. It is going to be in an upcoming empties video. I really like Urna Lszl products. I have tried a couple of different of the face washes or duo cleansing sets, and I really like them, so I am very excited to try that. Okay, Tula Probiotic Skincare Hydrating Day and Night Cream. I have heard of this brand, but I've never used it, so I'm excited to use that. I can't get stuff out of the little package. Skin Medica TNS Eye Repair. I have heard good things about this. This is 0.07 fluid ounces, but it's an eye cream, so that will last a decent amount of time to see if it's something you really like. Okay, this I'm excited by because people on YouTube rave about this brand and I just haven't tried it. This is the Color Science Sun Forgettable Total Protection Face Shield. It's a SPF 50 sunscreen. So, little bottle, but may I just remind you. Okay, so little bottle of that. And then the last two things I'm really excited by. One is the Deep Cleansing Oil by DHC, which Elle Leary Artistry just put up a video, I think yesterday, of dupes for her favorite high-end products, and she said she suggested this as a dupe for the Tatcha cleansing oil. And I think the full size of this is $28. I did know that. So this is like $10 worth. So that's exciting. And then I've never tried Dr. Lancer. I actually have a friend who goes to Dr. Lancer because he's in Beverly Hills. But I've never tried Lancer skincare, and this is the polish method. So this is their exfoliator. So that's the bottle size, really good size. So that is everything. I mean, you've got like your full skincare routine, which is really cool. Like, you use your Bioderma. I don't know about you, I do this in the morning to get off makeup or like just kind of cleanse my face. At night, I would use the cleansing oil. Then, you know, in the morning, you go in with your eye cream and your hydrating cream, and then you throw on your SPF over it, and then at night, you're gonna put on your good jeans after polishing your face, and you're gonna throw on your eye masks. I mean, they gave it all, $25. I have a friend who's going back to get another one just because she can get one more bottle of good jeans, and she essentially got the full size for 50 bucks. I'm not gonna lie, I have a Sunday Riley set sitting down here from Sephora that I think is going back to the store, because if I can go find another one of these, I'm gonna do the same thing, and then I've got a significant supply as well. So this is the best deal out there this Christmas for skincare, especially if you want to try a different amount of products. I really like this one. I love that other set from Sephora Favorites that I showed you all. I think it gives you kind of a different set of brands. I don't even know if it's available anymore, to tell you the truth. But this one is gonna sell out. Run out and buy it. Go get it right now, or don't run out and buy it. Go use the link below. Also, have we all seen that super cool feature now at Target where you can just do pickup like drive-through? Like, I've done it. It was amazing. You can put all your items on Target.com. You get your 5% off with your red card. Sometimes there's extra sales online on Target.com, so you'll get those too. And then you do pickup in store, but they deliver it to your car. I mean, this is gonna be just revolutionary for holiday shopping. So I am so excited for it. I'm here for it. So that is it. Go check it out. Tomorrow I will be back with the how to cover up adult acne video. If you're watching this after Monday, go find the how to cover up adult acne video. It'll probably be right here. So right now you should be getting suggestions of other things I think you would like. So please keep watching after you go buy this, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.